I've been an automotive technician for over 30 years and been teaching automotive technology for over 25. One thing I know, routine maintenance works. And when you look at this chart right here, you can see the top's riddled with check marks. What is that? If you read right there, check engine oil level and oil life percentage. Change engine oil and filter if needed. Well, I'm going to show you right now. It's definitely needed. This one here, not so much. Didn't get any oil changes. Definitely didn't use AMSOIL, I can guarantee you that. And you can see right here, this is actually a Toyota engine. It's an overhead cam engine, so those are actually where the camshafts have been removed and the lifters are there. I mean, look at the crud and the oil galleries, all totally plugged up, not getting any oil anywhere. And if that wasn't bad enough, there's the oil pan. I mean, it is full of goop. Now, AMSOIL makes it so that doesn't happen, Len. The website is so easy to use, man. Why don't you walk us through it?
That's correct. You know, the thing of it is that the technology is one thing, but getting the right products is a whole nother. So we've spent a ton of time on this website. And what you can do here, just for today's purposes, we'll look at the Shop All category, and it pops up all of the different products that we have, from motor oil to floor mats to decals. But for today's purpose, we'll look at motor oil. And we'll go to gasoline since it's the top of the list. And then what happens here is it pulls up all of our gasoline motor oil products, and you can start scrolling through and you can look at our Signature Series products, as you and I have talked about many times. You can go all the way down to our OEM products, which are designed to be changed when the car tells you to change its oil. But let's pick one just for the fun of it. If you want more information on our products, you click on the actual product, you go in and you can look at a data bulletin. You can look at any type of testing that we've done. It's all right there, 2 clicks away, very easy.
You also have some actual specs on the product itself.
That's correct. Like I said, there's tests in here, all kinds of good stuff. I mean, anything you want to know about the product is basically in there.
Boy, that's so easy. You can get on there and do it during a commercial break. You can find it all at amsoil.com.